Whether you're a camper, a hiker, or just somebody who loves a good cup of coffee, these products are perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy a delicious, freshly brewed cup of coffee, anytime and anywhere. Today I want to introduce you to the perfect duo for the camping coffee lover, the Palico Grind Tech and Coffeeology Press. The Grind Tech and Coffeeology Press combination is a perfect companion design for lightweight, compact, and cordless usage, making it easy to enjoy your cup of joe at any outdoor adventure. And the best part, you can buy both products right now. So head on over and start enjoying the perfect cup of coffee on your next camping trip. Thanks for watching and happy camping.